Here's how to scrape YouTube playlists with no coding knowledge. For this we'll need the YouTube scraper from Nifty.codes. Link will be in the description. Simply just download it for your browser. Next, press on Playlists. As you can see, we extracted the playlists in this list. To extract more, simply scroll down. And the more you scroll down, the more you will extract. Alternatively, you can use the auto function, which will auto-scroll for you and add the data to the list. Once you're done, press stop. Now, press on the settings. Then press Store Data. In here you will find all the data we scraped. You can specify some data to delete or move to export. Now, to customize this, press on Customize. Then press on Playlists. In here you can change the data however you want. So for example, you can uncheck some data. You can also change the order of the data. And also change the name. And also add a criteria to only scrape the products you are looking for. Once you're done, press Save. You can also find more features in the add-ons section. Now, to export this, press Add to Export List. Then press Export. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as HTML. After exporting, here's all the data we extracted.